In the wake of Texas's new law banning nearly all abortions in the Lone Star State, Vermont reproductive rights supporters gathered in downtown Burlington tonight. Planned Parenthood and other groups held a rally at Burlington's City Hall Park. Local 22's Mike Hoey was there, and he joins us now live in the newsroom. Mike?
Well, as much of a hot-button issue as abortion rights are now, Lauren, they'll likely garner even more attention in the Green Mountain State next year. 11 years ago, Kelsey Creelin of West Glover was pregnant with a daughter. Doctors learned her daughter's brainstem and spinal cord weren't developing, and she would have no cognitive function even if she survived. Kelsey told dozens of people Friday she's grateful that abortion was an option.
Reproductive rights are something that really affects collaterally every person, and it's so important. We can give such a better quality of life to everybody if we have those basic rights taken care of.
By reproductive rights, she means access to not only abortion, but contraception, family planning, and other services.
Reproductive rights, and passing that bill is giving such basic rights to resources and education and so much more than just the buzzwords that we like to throw around.
That bill is Proposal 5. It would amend the Vermont Constitution to include a right to personal reproductive liberty, something no U.S. state has ever done within its founding document.
This is a top priority for us, and we will be taking it up sometime in January. Obviously, we will have a public hearing to hear from Vermonters across the state about this important initiative.
Once Proposal 5 comes to the House floor for a vote, Speaker Jill Krowinski is confident her chamber will pass it.
I think it is incredibly important and great that we have tripartisan support for Prop 5, and I think that we need to continue in a tripartisan way to raise our voices and speak up when we see other states going backwards.
Lauren, if the Vermont House passes Prop 5 next year, it'll go to voters statewide on next year's November ballot. Live in the newsroom tonight, Mike Hoey, Local 22 News.
Rideshare companies Uber and Lyft say they will cover the legal fees of any driver sued under the Texas abortion law. The law allows citizens to sue anyone aiding in an abortion, including people who drive women to clinics. Lyft has created a fund to fully cover any legal fees its drivers in Texas might face. Uber's CEO tweeted, quote, "Drivers shouldn't be put at risk for getting people where they want to go."